Minutes to your health.
All right, so many people think that strength training is about bulking up on muscles like me, but co-owner of Chai Studios, Shani McGraham Shirley, is here to tell us it ain't so. In fact, strength training, I'm told, has more than a couple health benefits. So Shani's not here alone. She's brought a student with her who just need to go get a job. Jill Binney is here, and she does have a job, so just teasing. Morning, Miss Jill. Welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Long time I don't see you.
Listen now.
Tell me quickly about Chai Studios.
Well, Chai Studios is a boutique fitness studio. We're located...
Boutique fitness means what?
Boutique is just a fancy way of saying we're not a gym, we're a fitness studio. You come in and you do set classes. We have classes in the morning, classes in the evening. A wide array of classes from body conditioning, sculpt, strength training, Pilates, yoga, Zumba, Yasso, pole fitness. So we have a wide range of classes, just keeping your body in motion. We also offer personal training. So you don't come in like a regular gym and just jump on a machine and do your own workout. You actually attend a class. So it's fun, dynamic, you build interpersonal relationships, and you just have a good time. And we make exercise fun.
Fantastic. We're speaking specifically about strength this morning, strength training. And I have some topics here, maybe you could go through them with me. Strength training translates to more calories burned.
Yes, okay, there's a big stigma that people think you can't burn calories by lifting weights or doing body conditioning. Now, when you have the two types of exercises, you have the cardiovascular and then you have strength training. With cardio, you build more calories in the hour that you're actually executing the exercises. So for me, if I do a dance class, a Zumba or a Yasso class, I will burn maybe anywhere between 700 to 800 calories in that hour. But the burn that happens for the rest of the day diminishes. When you do strength training, you may burn maybe 400 calories within that hour, but your body is burning up to 24 hours after. So it actually works out to be a more effective and efficient way of burning calories. So your body needs it.
It's almost less calories, but it stays.
It actually adds over the time period. So even by the time you go to your bed, you're still a burn calories.
I understand that. Strength training, integral to improve bone density and muscle mass. What is bone density?
Okay, it's really just the strength of your bones, how much calcium your body has absorbed, and the density, the thickness, the mass of your bones. Now, as we get older, especially for women, our bone density diminishes. So we end up being brittle bones, we have osteoporosis, curvature of the spine, fractures. Somebody of a certain age, they fall, they're more susceptible to breaking something. By doing weight training, it actually helps to increase your bone density, the strength of your bones. So we all need that.
Makes you stronger and fitter. It does not bulk up women. Okay.
The biggest stigma, most women will come to me and go, Shani, Lord, I don't want to know weights, I don't want to look like man. It takes so much for a woman to be able to bulk and look like a bodybuilder. Any woman you see who looks like that, she's either taking supplements. In addition, she's eating so super clean that her body fat percentage is minimal to none. Yes? So that's a big stigma that, no, it doesn't. It gives you long, lean, strong muscles. It gives you a healthy look.
But it also depends, as you said, you need someone who knows what's happening. You don't just pick up the weight and say, well, I feel good. You need to know what's happening.
You definitely need to.
Because it can bulk you up if you...
To be honest with you, it takes so much. Women are not naturally built with a higher level of testosterone, the things that would convert and bulk muscles. And you have to have, women naturally have more body fat than men. So you're not going to bulk up. I lift up 25-pound weights and 35-pound weights in doing bicep, overhead. I'm not looking like a man right now. I'm actually quite soft. Yes?
I can tell. Boosts energy levels and improves your mood. How can it improve your mood? Hello?
Exercise in general releases something called endorphins. I like to call it happy hormones. So once your body produces and does a certain amount of exercise, your body starts producing these hormones in your brain, and it gives you the effect of, you took a nice pill, but you did it in the healthy way. So it does boost and helps to control mood.
Helps you develop better body mechanics.
Yes. A healthy body is a better equipped body to move in motion with flexibility and range of motion. Your spine is held upright and straight. You're able to control your body better. When you're not stronger, remember, muscles hold your entire skeletal system together. If you have weak muscles, you're going to constantly be throwing your back out, throwing your shoulder out. Hips now work.
Final one, helps you recover faster from surgeries, injuries, etc. I knew that.
Oh, you knew that?
Well, I knew most of them. But
because healthy muscles recover faster. They generate better. So it's
yeah, and even as players, yeah, you tell them, I mean, you run back on the track, but no, you have to develop and get them stronger. Let's go over and let's see what you're going to do.
Yes.
Because Jilly just standing up there doing nothing at all.
Looking cute.
And she came here to work. So what are you showing us now?
We're just going to show you a different array of exercises that people can do. Now, strength training does not have to be just lifting weights. Can be using your own body weights, can be using resistant bands, can be using body weighted exercises or actual weights. Yeah. And I like to make it interesting and fun. So we brought two BOSUs to show that any and everybody can do it.
Does it matter what time of day you do it? Or?
To be honest with you, I don't find that it matters. Each person is quite different. When you start early in the morning, at least it gets your body burning for the rest of the day.
Jill, why are you doing all of this?
Love it. I mean, it makes me feel really good afterwards, and it's just part of my routine all the time.
You go to the gym every day?
I go Monday to Friday every day, and then I teach squats all the weekend.
For specific reasons you go to the gym?
She's addicted.
Addicted. I like the cardio, I like the weights, and I like the camaraderie at the gym. Charlie's studio is a family.
You're a cancer survivor?
Yes, I had breast cancer 8 years ago.
8 years ago. Does this help?
It certainly helped my recovery. I think being fit. I didn't have my reconstruction until about 3 years ago, but certainly being fit has helped me just get straight back.
What do you do? So show some of the stuff that you do.
So we're going to show you. So this one is a perfect exercise for core, for shoulders, for everything. All right? So we're going to squat down, straight arms. We're going to lift overhead, up, bring it all the way down, tummy tight, jump back. Again, up, all the way back. Now keep in mind, Jill is 63 years old and she's not having an issue. She put me to shame half the time.
Jill, you look 33 years old.
Listen to me now.
If that much.
Sometimes I can't take her. Here we go. All right, so we're going to move on. She's going to use a resistant band. I'm going to use free weight. So this one is called a clean and press. So she's going to
clean and press.
Clean and press. I'm going to be using weights. So your fingers are flipped under. She's going to be pressing up. I'm going to be taking it down. So we're going to squat down first.
All right, hang on now. What's the difference? Why? Why the difference?
You still get the same muscle strengthening, but in different methods. Using a resistant band, still resistance for the muscles, still building them, strengthening them. So I'm telling people you don't have to always use weights.
Let's go.
Here we go. Ready? Press. Up. Squat down. So these are two different methods, still working similar muscle groups. Yeah?
How much weight is that?
I brought 15s.
15?
Yes. I wasn't going to drive with the 25s.
So that's 30 pounds there.
There you go. Nice and easy.
Yeah.
All right.
How many repetitions and stuff like that?
Now, whenever you want to burn more calories, you go higher reps. So if I'm burning, I'll be using maybe 12 to 15 reps. If you want to build, you use heavier weights, lighter reps.
Okay.
So you may go 6 to 8.
Right.
Yeah?
Give us another
We're going
one.
to do bicep curls. Tummy tight, elbows locked into waist, chest lifted. Now, you're going to contract the muscle, never touching the shoulder, and straighten your hand completely. Tummy tight, and we breathe it in, and slow release. I like to more power up and slower down. Yeah? How we doing, Jilly?
We're good.
You're always good with exercise. Now we're going to go into, let's move these out of the way. Abs, V-ups.
Abs.
Yes.
Okay then.
Now everybody needs to remember your core is your powerhouse. It's what keeps you fit, what keeps you upright, what keeps you balanced. We're going to recline, lean all the way back. I can't go all the way back with my power pack. We're going to raise all the way up and up, up. Now this is actually a harder type of ab exercise and Jill does it effortlessly. Come Neville, right in between us. Watch your pants tight too, take time, many bust them, yeah?
Where do you know?
Tummy tight.
Me tummy tight.
Tummy tight?
Yes.
Lean all the way back.
All the way up. Well, me have my backpack.
So do I. You hear me complaining?
Wait, no. I am fixing it.
You hear me complaining?
No, all right.
All right. Lean all the way back, hands overhead. I can't flatten. Good.
Yeah.
Now you're going to look to the ceiling, tummy tight, lift your legs simultaneous to your hands.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Up. Lift up your upper body. Up.
So,
yeah. No, two more. Come on. Up.
All right, come.
Up. Again. No. Work it. Come
They're
on.
not firm. It don't feel firm.
It's not for my
Start
time.
it to
You
it,
need to
start
come
it
at
to
Chai Studios. You need to come at Chai Studios.
I love it.
You tired now? So people can
Fantastic.
find us in Barbican Business Center. Come and work out, have fun. Exercise needs to be fun.
Oh, how much is the class?
A drop-in is 1,500, but we also have packages for one-on-one. Most people can't handle more than the hour with me.
Yeah, I noticed. All right, thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Angela, great to meet you.
Thank you.
I need a visa.
Okay.
You have no behavior. No behavior.
10 minutes to your health, folks. We'll do it again next Thursday. So come.